Akaulo na aitolot airiamuno yin koteso college aloet egirigiralo ka TESMEA nesi abu kolach apakina itegarere Aingito na ka TESMEA Hores biat ochaet egirigiralo atukot na ko TESMEA ngise balebe aina petanu awasha kanu ayerun Aingito nesi ageunos.
We want to alert schools that TESMEA, despite the condition of COVID-19, is alive, it is working, it has prepared examinations for the children. Secondly, we want to have the schools informed and the candidates informed. This draft timetable may not be very far from the final timetable, so that our children begin to prepare. And as they prepare, we have been educating them. Prepare as if you are preparing for your neighbor. Then test yourself from this timetable. We shall send the actual timetables later as we dispatch the advance information.
Aingito na ekarukalo kanu atukono senior 4 keda senior 6 kesida eponio aitolot erasi akanya uni olapalo kaintare okarukalo erupasi oporot ewalo apolone semero lokongora high school nesi eje amunoebe ai jeruno na Aingito kangin nesi ebuni ai keun etube koteso
itodini dueda apak nebe itor kesa shoma ni mwalimun anwe covering a syllabus narebe ite Aingito lagiar akanya unola palo kantare mamera apakine elwana ata muna ipu activities
Apolo kisemeroi lukoteso kesa potu ochamanaros ai tegar Aingito na imoriki kit esishaka luko senior 4 keda luko senior 6 ai moriart arina koteso kere Apolo ne cholong ashu teso region Wilfred oluka okeriau nyesabu ilip Apolo kisemeroi lukoteso anyinebe jaikirete kesi ido Iswamaere Aingito ngin
draft timetable rai borna jok ka down alom ni koto brana rere otetunga era ngini iborna to debe mamose wota abulia wota sa storm bor lopet so draft timetable lo sa ngara kine dowe alinga kina gay temunu kini kade mwale munuda anyu banu be beta som anu anyu ne be dolda pak na som mokslu oraite ne adum no be kapakina kesikere
esishaka luede parete ilukuminito monauni kesi emuno ebe epote ai boykin Aingito na ekarukalo Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.
But he said he was on the way.